and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to set up your RPC node on QuickNode or using QuickNode. So QuickNode is one of the node provider or node service provider in the EVM space, and with QuickNode you can easily set up an RPC that you can use on your application. So let's dive right in where I show you how to do that, walk you through the different dashboard and the setup and all the steps required. It's a very straightforward process, and I hope at the end of this video you should be able to create your own RPC node using QuickNode and start interacting in your application or in your dApp.
Your QuickNode RPC account. The first thing you want to do is to come to the QuickNode website and then set up an account if you don't already have an account. So you're going to sign up and log into your dashboard. So this is what my dashboard look like after logging in. And from my dashboard here, they have the QuickNode platform have both free and paid endpoints, but I think you only have access to one endpoint for the free plan. So if you want to have access to more endpoints, you need to pay for it. So basically the RPC we are talking about is what they call endpoints here. So in QuickNode, once you click on this create, you can simply click on create endpoints. So once you do that, you are coming here to select which of the blockchain endpoints or RPC you want to set up. So if you want to probably, let's say you want to deploy it to base, for instance, you are going to click on base and then click on continue. So yeah, we are being asked whether we want to set up RPC for base mainnet or Sepolia. So we can click on Sepolia and then you click on continue. So like I said, you only have access to one endpoint for the free plan. So peradventure you want to, so these are the prices. The free one is 0, and this the starter plan, these are the different prices. So we click on continue. We are working with the free one, so we click on continue. All right, so like I was saying, you only have access to one. So it looks like I already have one, and that's why I can't even click on continue right now, because this check is already showing here. So what I can do is to go back, maybe. Okay, so what I can do is to check my endpoints. Okay, so I currently have Ethereum Sepolia running here. So what I'm going to do is to archive it, so you don't get to see delete, so you see archive. So after archiving it, once I successfully archive it, I will now be able to like create another one. So that slot will be free. So right now I don't have any endpoints. So if I click on create endpoints, the same process we were doing before, I click on select base and I will click on base Sepolia and continue. So once this is done, I can now click on create. So with this now, I now have a working RPC. So this is the HTTP provider of the RPC, and this is the WSS, that if you want to do webhook related stuff. So yeah, I can just copy this RPC and use in my application wherever I want to use it. And perhaps if I want to put it in MetaMask, I can put it there. If I want to be using it to sign transactions from my MetaMask, or in my dApp, I could just copy this. So this is the simple way for you to create an RPC endpoint using QuickNode.
Welcome back. I hope you have learned something from this video, and I believe by now you know how to use QuickNode or how to set up your account, how to set it up and select whatever blockchain you want to use their RPC or whatever blockchain RPC you need for your application. And if you learned something from this video, please do it to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.